Before this video begins, I want to give you guys a quick reminder that my new design of waving lights is now live, and the link is in the top of the description. I absolutely love these, and we did 3 colors this time instead of 2. They've been live for a couple days, but there's still some left. I just got finished assembling and packing every single one, and I absolutely love how these came out. So, link in the top of the description. Go check them out. I appreciate the support as always, and now enjoy the video. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are painting and mounting the LS400 body kit that you guys saw me get earlier this year. I got a full Wald Sportline V2 lip kit, and it looks phenomenal. I've already had it mounted on the car when it was black, but because we're keeping the two-tone on the car, hard to see over there, we need to paint the two-tone color, which is dark gray metallic, UCA 31, I believe is the paint code. So got the side skirts in here. These are all scuffed, ready to go. Just got to clean them up before they get sprayed with sealer. Randy's over here as well with me, and Randy's going to be doing all the paint work. I'm going to pop over in here, show you guys the lip and the rear lip, the front lip and the rear lip. All of this stuff is scuffed, ready to be cleaned and sprayed. So I'm stoked, very excited to see what this is gonna look like once it's the two-tone color, get it officially mounted, and go from there. That car has been my daily for a couple months now, and it's good. It needs a couple things to get to the point where I'm satisfied with it being my daily. Need to get new coilovers for it because the coilovers I have in it are very stiff. Not a huge fan of them, so I'm gonna be switching to some BCs in the future, as well as get a full exhaust made for that car. I actually have half of the stock exhaust, but it definitely needs a full exhaust.
Has like a wax and grease remover inside. Literally just awesome for prepping.
Yeah. Well, Randy had the cool idea as well of getting one of my stickers and putting it here and painting the sealer over it, and then having kind of like a little indented stencil on the lip. So I think
personal signature.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go do that. We'll grab a sticker. I'm excited for this. I need to figure out how I can properly mount the rear lip to the car, because there's really no good area to mount to, at least on the back side. Whether I decide to make brackets or panel bonded or something like that, not really sure yet, but we'll figure it out. Cool. That'll be sick. All the pieces are sealed up. Came out really, really good. This sealer lays really nice, especially with the paint gun that he's using. I'm not a body guy at all, but I always find this stuff very intriguing because I love cosmetic stuff. I love doing cosmetic changes to cars. So when it comes to body work, paint work, body kits, I love this stuff. Which is most of the reason why you guys haven't seen me do like a high horsepower build or something, because I always get caught up in how much fun cosmetic stuff is. But super flat, very clean. stoked on this. I love the little stencil idea that we did. That's gonna be really cool when it's done. Give this time to dry, and then it's onto the base coat. All right, we are back working on LS400 stuff. Had to take a break, do a little bit of work, do a little bit of NSX stuff. That video was kind of filmed in the past. But we are back in here working on the LS, and just getting some stuff sanded down again. We had gotten what I assumed was the color going off the paint code, but it was the wrong color. Apparently there's 3 or 4 different shades of this trim color. So we got the right color this time. We're going to just sand down the primer again, make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And then we're gonna actually shoot the color. And this kit should be done pretty quick. Then I can get all that stuff mounted back on the car. Very excited. The car looks incomplete now without the body kit on it, so I'm very excited to have it back on. Color's all laid out, everything looks great. He's laying the clear coat on now. I will say the clear coat on this kit is going to make the kit look a little newer than the actual trim on the car, but I'm okay with that because in the future I would like to get the entire car resprayed, but right now it's just kind of, you know, my daily. So, but it's coming out really nice. There's so much going on. I'm running all over the place. I'm filming like 3 videos at the same time. But yeah, LS400 kit is completely painted. It's been curing for a couple days now, and the finish on it is perfect. It is so good. Could not be happier with the outcome of this kit. You can see the little sticker indent in there. Super, super cool. Same thing with the side skirts. They came out amazing. Very stoked about this. It's the weekend right now. FD is right around the corner, and we are trying to get some stuff done to my cars. Today, I think I'm also going to be filming some NSX stuff. Hopefully that body kit will be completed very soon and we can get that put back on the car. But I'm trying to give some love to the LS400 today. As you guys know, the LS400 has had no exhaust on it for almost a year now, and it sucks. So I know we got this guy.
Shout out Left to Suffer.
So I picked this up off eBay. This is the stock half exhaust to the car, and it's gonna be better than open down pipes.
It's gonna be better than open down pipes. Can you like blur this?
Yeah.
Just blur
see
it.
any of that.
It's a little ghetto, Mike.
We're open down pipe boys now.
Yeah, we're open DP boys now.
Isn't that now? Can I show that thing?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. He got a
See
thing.
that trash can right there? Yeah, me, baby.
he got a thing. We're both open down
I
pipe.
see 2 trash cans right there.
We're gonna get that half exhaust put on the car, and hopefully it quiets it up a little bit. Me and Marco went on a journey this morning to go get coffee, and he heard it firsthand. And
Yeah, I was really looking forward to having a nice open conversation with my close friend and roommate. Rudely interrupted by the 1UZ, but
hopefully we won't have that anymore. But little underside car update. I haven't shown the underside of this thing in a long time, but it's really not that bad. We had built this car to, you know, be extremely low, but also keep everything that's important from scraping. So oil pan has very minimal scratches on it because the engine and trans had gotten raised. Everything else is fine. Rear end is good, no scrapes there. For those that haven't watched or haven't watched in a while, we did a differential raise. We raised the diff about 1 inch. At the same time, we also notched the subframe up in here for axle clearance, so you can see that is all clear. So we did all of this adjustment over a year ago to get this car super low, but now it's kind of my daily, so I want it to ride a little better, sound a little better. We're making some changes, but it's all for the better, and I'm stoked. You know, sometimes when I reference in my videos about past Mike, well, this is another scenario of present Mike being pissed at past Mike, because when we removed this exhaust, I tried doing it the right way and then immediately went to doing it the wrong way and sawzalled the flanges off of the cats. So there's no flange on the cat, and we have to physically weld the cat to the rest of the exhaust. What do you think about past Mike? What are you thinking of past Mike right now?
Real scumbag.
Real scumbag.
I want to have a word with him.
He managed to get it to work, so I'm glad about that.
That damn Mike Jones, dude. That's what it was.
Yeah.
The 2 mics synced up.
2 mics together is a bad mix.
Can't do it.
Well, I'm stoked that I also have my O2 sensors back, because once again, past Mike,
Idiot.
being a scumbag, cutting things apart. So I'll get to have better gas mileage now and a better running car, which I'm happy about. Back to Altling. All right, the exhaust is fully welded on, all done. I gotta go into the interior and unclip the old O2 connector so that I can run this guy through, but everything is done. Welds, obviously, they're hard to get to when they're mounted on the car, but they do the job. Big shout out to my boy Garzo over here for all the assistance, all the help.
Yeah, anytime.
Today. I'm gonna lower this thing down and we're gonna start it up, and hopefully it's half as loud as it was before.
That's a good goal.
Yeah. Thankfully, this will help a lot. So, and
Take the tape off, Mike.
goes nothing. Okay, let's hear it. Dude.
That's way better.
Yes, that is so. Oh
Give
my
her
God.
a couple.
Dude, that is
You're an adult now.
unbelievably better.
You're a big boy now.
Wow.
It sounds like my old SC now. It's giving me this.
That sounds proper. I'm fucking stoked about that.
Yes.
And I'm gonna get better gas mileage because I have my O2 sensors back. Not yet, but I gotta put them in.
Yeah, look at you right hand on the wheel. Wood grain gripping, dude. Let's hear it from the outside.
That's it.
Doing the Lord's work, son.
That's what it was missing. I'm fucking hyped about that.
So much better.
One step at a time, checking them off the list as we go down. We're getting there. You guys remember how loud this thing used to be? Oh, that is so refreshing. Man. Now I can actually have a conversation with you guys while I'm driving. You guys remember how it was going back and forth in the car while trying to talk to you guys. So much better now. It's actually bearable. Obviously, I need to get the rest of the material for the exhaust. I'm not leaving it like this. Now that we have this piece on, we know how much material we need for the rest of the exhaust to build all of that out. But we can't do that until we get the body kit fully mounted on the car. And I'm not gonna do that in this video because one, mounting the rear lip is gonna be really, really annoying, and I wanna do it right. So that'll be for another video. And then once we have the entire kit mounted on this car, then we can build the exhaust out because we'll have exhaust ports on the back of the bumper. We'll know where we want the exhaust tips to come out of. I also want to get rid of these coilovers really, really badly. They're perfectly fine, but they're just really stiff for the direction that I'm trying to go nowadays. So if anyone is interested in some Broadway static coilovers for a 95 to 2000 LS400, let me know, hit me up. These are in good shape. They got probably 3,000 miles on them, so I'll sell them for a pretty good price. They're perfect for any low coilover build on an LS400. I know a lot of you guys watching are trying to go that route, so let me know in the comments. Hit me up on Instagram. You guys know where to find me. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm on my way back to the shop. I'm gonna edit this video up, get it up for you guys, and then I'm gonna continue on packing orders, shipping orders, and then hopefully there's more NSX stuff happening later today. So fingers crossed, I'm pumped. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.